Good day, class. Our topic for today is returns inwards journal. Now, we are still on the types of special journals. We've taken the first two, which are the sales and the purchase journal. Today, we'll take the last two, returns inwards and returns outwards journal. Like you may have read from your note, the returns inwards journal is the book that is used for recording all items that are returned to the organization due to one reason or the other. The source document for the returns inwards journal is the credit note. Now we have an example here. We are going to use this example to see how such transactions are posted into the returns inwards journal. The question says we should draw out the returns inwards journal and show the relevant transfers into the ledger. So the first thing we'll do is to draw out the returns inwards journal. So this is the format as usual. I will start taking them one after the other. Now the first entry here is November 26th. SC is the one that returned notebooks. On the folio column, usually you write if it is a sales ledger or if it is a purchase ledger. But remember, these are goods that are returned. So on the page number, which is on your folio column, you will have to quote the page number from the original document. Since this is returns inward, the page where this transaction was recorded in the sales journal is what is going to be written here. So it's going to be sales ledger page 2. This was where this transaction was recorded in the sales journal, which is the original document that this transaction took place. So you have sales journal page 2, sales ledger page 2, and you have 3 returned at 140 naira each, total 420 naira. Next transaction is on the 27th, and it is Osarime. What did he return? He returned slipper. This transaction was recorded on page 1 of the sales ledger times 450 to give you 450 naira. Next transaction is for the 30th. Queen returns textbooks. This transaction was on sales ledger page 5 and it was 2 textbooks by 550 naira. When you multiply this, you have 1,100. The total, when you add this together, you have 1,970 naira. Now this total is to be debited. We debit returns inwards, that's the short form, returns inwards accounts in general ledger.